G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Loch, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe. G'day all, how you going? The time is 14 to 10 in the morning. Now it's just about to head off down to the lake, and there's all these green ones having a feed, but we've also got two of these so far. There's one here. Oops. They're so bloody white. No, oh well. Yeah, there's still one more in the tree up there. Just see it up there. Oh, he comes back. Let these ones have a feed. Oh, I'm going to head off and do our own thing. Absolutely beautiful day.